All right, we're going to do subtraction using dots and boxes. I'm going to start out with the base 10 problem, and then I will move on to a problem using base 3. I'm going to add the number of dots that match the top number in my box. Now, you can go from the left to the right, or you can go from the right to the left. I think it's a little bit easier if you start on the right-hand side like we did with addition to do in case you need to borrow over. Now, I want to take away 8 dots from the first box. Now notice I don't have 8 dots. So what that means is I need to go to the next box over and I need to borrow one of those dots. And because this is base 10, when I borrow and I move that over a place value, I get 10 dots in return. And now I can take away those 8 that I want. So I'm going to mark off 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That leaves me with 5 dots in the first box. Now I need to subtract 2 dots in this second box. So I'm going to get rid of 2 dots. Now I have 4 dots left over. And the reason I have 4 dots left over is because this one that I've circled in gold has moved over and no longer exists in this box. In my third box, I need to subtract 7 from 1. Now, I don't have enough, so what I'm going to do is once again go to the next box over and borrow, which brings me 10 new dots into this box, and I can then cross off the 7 that I need. When I do that, I have 4 left over, and from the remaining box, I have to take away 1, which means I have nothing left in that box. I then know that 2,173 minus 1,728 is 445. Moving on to base 3, it's the same principle. I'm going to draw the number of dots that I have here, and I'm going to do my subtraction starting from the right-hand side. I don't have to subtract anything from the first box, that leaves me with 1, but then I need to take away 2 from this second box, and there's nothing there, so I need to jump to the next box over and borrow. But this is base 3, which means I only get 3 dots when I borrow from the box over. I need to take 2 away, and that leaves me with 1. From the next box over, I need to take 2 away, and I don't have anything. So once again, I jump to 1 box over. That gives me 3 dots that I can use, and I'm allowed to take my 2 away. That leaves me with 1. And finally, from the leftmost box, I need to take 1 away, which means I have 0 left over. So 2101 base 3 minus 1220 base 3 is 111 base 3. You could convert those numbers to base 10, subtract them, and then convert them back to base 3, but what's the point when we can just use our dots and box and get a nice clean answer? Thanks for watching.